Well, hello there, sweeties. Today we're going to learn how to make this beautiful fall swag. So I have all my ribbon here. I have 6 different ribbon and they all have wire. And I cut each as long as about 9 inches. And I have my scissors and I have my jute string. I got this at Hobby Lobby. You can get it at any craft store that you like. And as you see, I am doing this on my bed. So do it wherever you're comfortable and wherever you can watch a movie. And you want to make sure you tie each end of your string. Here I have my string tied any way you like, but make sure you tie it big enough or strong enough so it can stay on your mantle or on your curtain rod. Now I have both ends of my jute string tied. And you can make your string as long as you like because you're going to measure it to wherever you're going to put it. So your mantle, your curtain rod, your door, as long as it fits where you want it to go. So let's get started. And I don't know why I am starting from this direction, you guys. It is so silly. As you can see, Choppy is on the bed and we have the dog toy. So when you first start tying this, it's going to feel awkward because you're tying it onto a string. And so it feels like you're not getting it tight enough or it's too big, but you'll get the hang of it. At first it feels funny, it feels like it's not working out, but it starts all coming together. You'll see as you just keep on going. So I finally flipped it around so you guys can see it better. And this is a more comfortable thing to do. Go from this direction. And you're probably wondering, why are we doing this so early in the year? Like it's summer still. But you know, when September comes and you run around and you look for stuff and you don't have it, and you can start decorating for fall in September. So get it going now so when September comes, you'll be all ready for it. Because some of the stuff is on sale now and you can get it at a really good deal. So why not make it now so you're all prepared? And I get it out there so you guys can see it. Because if I get it out there too late, you guys will be like, oh great, it's halfway through September. Now you want me to make this? You get the point. And I hope I mentioned, I don't know if it's clear, but you just keep on repeating until you're all out of material. And I used a wire ribbon because I like the way it stands up. I like to use also material, but I thought for this Garland swag, I'd like to use ribbon because you can fluff it and buff it better. Is buff it a word when you're trying to do garland? I guess so, but you get the point. Just keep on repeating until you're all out of material. So now here I am just gonna, pull the ribbon apart, fluff it up, straighten it out. Some of the ends I did not cut at an angle, so they're kind of like little flags or little you know, like the ends of it. You don't want it to fray, so I kind of cut like a little design at the ends. And I'm just going through it, straightening it out, pulling it apart, making it look a little better. As you can see on that black and white, I had cut some of those. So I just kind of go through and just fluff them and go through it a little bit. And you can see here we're all done. It's laid out, How adorable, right? You don't realize it when you're doing it, but when you're all done, it comes together so nice, you guys. It only took me a half an hour to cut, shape, and put on the string. Fun. Here my Garland swag is all done. I put it in my kitchen island so you guys can see how it looks. It's vibrant, it's fun. You can pose it any way you like it, and I might add some more stuff to it, you guys. This is it. This is all. Until the next time, you guys, have a great time fall shopping. And don't forget to go over to my Instagram so you can see all my crazy antics. Bye bye.